I had checked in with a lot of my Turo hosts out there, different parts of the United States, and they said a lot of the same things in their market, that is slow, and that, you know, they thought we would be a busier December, but so far it's been slow. But I'm urging you guys, as best as you can, please keep your prices.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything.
What is up, Innovation Gang? How's everybody doing today? It's me, Brandon, from Innovation Property, your friend, your neighbor, your host, back with another video. Just want to check in with you guys, give you guys a couple updates. But before we jump into today's video, guys, remember to like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, along with hit that notification button so you guys are locked in, tuned in when I drop out new videos from Innovation Property Atlanta. So today's video, guys, is going to be around just me persuading the Turo hosts out there in all different markets around the United States to remember, guys, we're 4 days from Christmas. I know it's been a slow December for most of you guys. I had checked in with a lot of my Turo hosts out there, different parts of the United States, and they said a lot of the same things in their market, that is slow, and that, you know, they thought we would be a busier December, but so far it's been slow. But I'm urging you guys, as best as you can, please keep your prices steady and somewhat high, even for Christmas and New Year's. I'm hoping and praying for you guys out there that you recoup your money that you may have not made the beginning and middle part of December. I'm hoping you guys make a lot of that money back for Christmas weekend along with New Year's, and that you can even, you know, get 10, 20, 30%, 40% of what you guys are, of your daily rate right now, and increase that price up so you guys can get that money back and recoup. I know it's tough for a lot of you guys who just want to lower your prices, but like I mentioned in the previous video, when you lower your prices, guys, you get a certain type of renter and demographic. It just is what it is, comes with the business. So when you lower your prices to be too low, then anybody for the most part can afford your products. So if you think about that, I mean, if you have a nice product like a Corvette or a Mustang or a Tesla or a BMW or a Supra, something that's high in value that most people will never be able to rent from a regular rental car store like a Hertz or a Enterprise Exotics, or even when you go to Miami to some of these exotic places that have the Maseratis and Lambos and the Porsches, they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg. I'm talking about $1,000 a night, $500 a night for a Range Rover. So you guys, and again, I'm not coming down on my Turo host at all. I just want you guys to be able to make your money and still be profitable too. And for my renters out there, my clients, I hope you guys understand that we're in a business where we don't have much margin when you lower your price on your vehicle. Because when you gotta pay Turo a fee, as far as depends on what insurance plan you are, you gotta pay Turo a fee, along with other things that you got to pay too, as far as maintenance of the vehicle, if you got a car note. So it's just not an easy game. It looks. So when people say passive income, this really isn't a passive income sport like people say it is. It's really a lot goes into maintaining your fleet or your cars. If you do this for a full time or do this, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40 hours a week, it can be overwhelming sometimes if you don't know what you're doing. So as Turo hosts, we want to make sure we give you guys a good product and make sure it's clean, it's maintenance up to date, along with being able to deliver on time too. So a lot that comes with this running this shop. So that's why we got to keep our daily rate high. So example, again, if you want to rent a Corvette, as let's say a C8 Corvette, I'm seeing them going some markets for $199, $250 a night for a C8 Corvette. Like, think about that for a minute. That car should not be going any cheaper than $500, $600 a night in most markets. So for it to go for $199, $250 a night now, it just shows you where we're at as far as demand in the Turo market. So I'm urging you guys. I know you may or may not get your car rented out to keep it at a certain price point, but we got to keep the Turo market competitive, along with keeping the prices respectable, because you don't want to give away a free product. I mean, give away a car for free when you know it's worth more than that, because you don't want people to tear your car up and you got to pay all this money out your pocket to get things fixed, or you got to worry about going back and forth for clients to get items fixed. So the higher the prices, the better the clientele. Not 100% bulletproof. The better the clientele, the more chance you have to make better, higher revenue on a month-to-month basis. And when the market picks back up, hopefully next year picks back up, and we can, get back to normal. Right now, guys, just hang in there. Do the best you can. Hope you guys have a good Christmas. And then I'll tap back in with you guys next week.
On fire to fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you